This time we get to build a blog for your website with a blog section on your homepage, showing the 3 latest blog posts, and create 3 examples using AI. Let's get cooking. Let's open the Elementor editor and scroll down. Click on the plus sign and select one column structure. First we can add a heading, then a text editor, and then type in posts in search field to find the post widget and drop it under the text element. Like this, the blog section does not look like much, so let's make some adjustments in the settings. Change the skin to cards, reduce number of posts to 3, change image size to full, remove comments from metadata, and hide avatar from the thumbnails. Click update and we're ready. Next, let's open a new tab and open the dashboard on the post view. On the blog section, we can currently see the Hello World example, so let's click Add New and Edit with Elementor. Here, we can first go to hide the title from the bottom left corner. In the widget menu, type in featured image to find the widget and drop it as the first element on the page. Next, let's bring a heading widget and a text editor under it. To create the text for the blog, we can use AI to generate it. Click on the small AI icon and type in a suitable prompt. Actually, we can ask the AI first to give us 3 ideas for a blog. Let's see what it says. Okay, here's some good ideas that you can use. I'll copy and paste them in my notes. Let's use the first idea to create the text for our first blog post. Click New Prompt and write a description for the AI to create a blog like this. Great, this is fine for our example and a good starting point for a real blog post. Next, we can rewrite the title and then generate a featured image for the blog post by clicking on the AI button. Write a fitting prompt using mine as an example. Select the type and style you want and make your pick. Don't worry about the preview not showing. Save the changes and exit from the top menu. On the posts view, move the cursor under the post to click on the edit button. In this view, we can change the title that is displayed on the homepage, and from the right menu, we can set the featured image we just created. Click on the select featured image and select the last image. It's a good idea to write alternative text to all images to find them easier later if you have dozens of images, and it's also good for the search engine optimization. The image appears, so let's click Update and go back to Dashboard to view the article. Simple, but nice. Now, let's open the blog again with Elementor and type in Post to find the Post navigation widget. Adding this widget allows the user to navigate between blog posts. Let's save changes and we can go to Posts page to delete the Hello World example by clicking Bin under the title. And then we can add new post. We can also reload the homepage to see if we can see the featured image. Okay, loading for a moment. And it looks okay. Let's go to the new post and type in the title. For example, something like this. Then click on Edit with Elementor. First, we can go to hide the title from the bottom left corner and then publish the page. Here we have the first blog post open, so we can copy the elements to the second post. By right-clicking on the section bar on the top, you can copy the element and paste it on the new post. Copy the title, text element, and the post navigation widget and paste them in the second box. Now we can rewrite the title. Then we can create the blog post with AI by clicking on the AI button and type in a suitable prompt for the topic. Sometimes we might ask too much, like here. So let's make the task easier and try again. Now it looks better and we can try if we can make it longer. Looks fine, so we can click on the use text. Next, we can replace the featured image, so we'll click again on the AI button, type in a fitting prompt, and cross our fingers to get something useful. Well, certainly not image number 3, so let's pick the first one. Again, the preview is not working yet, but we'll fix that in a minute. This is simply a demo, but for a real website, it's a good idea to proofread the text and add more personal touch to the writing. Okay, looks fine, so we can exit the page from the top menu. On the post view, let's click Edit under the post title to select the featured image. Click on the Set Featured Image and select the latest image on the media library. As always, type at least something on the alt text field. Then we can update. Let's return on the homepage and reload it to see if our second blog post is showing up right. Yes, it is, but it's easy to see that they are published on the same date. We can go to Post page and change from the Quick Edit view the date of the publication and hit Update. Okay, let's create a third blog post to populate the blog element on the homepage. Click New and Post. Give a title, some topic that could be interesting for the readers, and click Edit with Elementor. Let's hide the title from the bottom left corner. And as before, copy the featured image and then the second section of our new page. Then we can rewrite the title, generate a new illustration for the post with an apt prompt. From these options, the first one is the best, so I'll pick that one, and finally, generate the text with AI as well, giving one more prompt. Looks good, a little short obviously, but for this demo it'll do. Save the changes and exit from the top menu. On the posts view, let's click on Edit under the title and set the featured image from the right-hand menu, and finish by hitting Update. Let's try if the navigation works. Yes, it does. Back to the home page and the final check. Yes, all blog posts are displayed correctly. Back on the editor, we can change the title of the section and give a nice subtitle for it. Optionally, we can adjust the widget space to group them closer together. And update. Reload again and scroll down. Now we can notice that the date of the publication is the same, so I'll edit the page by clicking on the date and selecting another date on the calendar. Final reloading of the page. In this time, the posts have different dates, featured images, and so on. Nice work. I hope you were able to follow this video and build something similar. If you have any difficulties with yours, check the support page and Discord server for some tips. See you on the next video.